2, Uni, the unicorn vibe. Come on, kids, let's explore and learn. Anti-gravity, upside down we go. B is for breathing colors, watch the colors glow.
C is for cosmic sound, waves and shining light.
D is for dream science, dreams come alive tonight.
E is for energy monsters, heat and light so bright. F is for frozen time, everything stops in sight.
G is for gravity button, floating in the air. H is for hologram zoo, light, animals everywhere.
I is for invisible ink, now you see it clear.
J is for jelly physics, bouncing with no fear.
K is for knowledge tree, getting super smart.
L is for living light, glowing work of art. M is for mini universe, galaxies in a jar. N is for neural city, brain lights like stars.
O is for oxygen planet, fresh air all around.
P is for parallel worlds, new places to be found.
Q is for quantum play, popping in and out.
R is for reverse aging, growing young no doubt. S is for shifting shapes, changing all the time. T is for time loop, repeat the same rhyme.
U is for upside ocean, fish fly in the sky.
V is for virtual world, let your mind fly high.
W is for weather control, sun or rain today.
X is for X-ray vision, see inside the way. Y is for young inventors, experiments are fun. Z is for zero gravity, floating everyone.
Aliens, unite, learning side by side.
Science and magic, a joyful ride.
Sing along daily, A to Z.
Thank you for watching. If you had fun, please like, subscribe, and tap the bell icon. See you again on ABC Spotlight.